What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be smoking some chicken wings. See that smoke behind me? Letting the smoker warm up. I got the chicken setting out at room temperature. Try to let it set out for about 30 minutes before I throw it on the smoker. So let's see where the temperature is at now. Around 360. Let's drop it down a little bit. Try to get it around 250. All right, we're gonna give that a little bit, and I'll be back with y'all shortly. Okay, whenever you get your chicken cleaned off, rinsed off, you want to season it up with whatever kind of seasoning you like the night before you want to smoke it. So let's do that now. So first I hit it with some garlic salt, then some seasoned oil, now some onion powder. Then a little bit of kicking chicken seasoning. And top it off with a little bit of Dale's. After that, you just want to put your lid on. Give it a good shake. Then just let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Then before you smoke it, you want to get it out and let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before you put it in the smoker. Then I smoke them about two and a half to 3 hours at 250 degrees. There you go. I'll be back tomorrow to smoke it.
Tomorrow.
Alright, now it's time to put your chicken in the smoker. Makes it a lot easier when you get some heat resistant gloves. A few more. Alright, so I got all the chicken on. We're going to let that smoke for about probably like around 35-40 minutes. Then we're going to come out, and spray the chicken with a little bit of beer just to keep them juicy. And I'll probably do that about every 30 minutes. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's check out the chicken, see what it's looking like. And I also pour some beer in a bottle just to keep the chicken juicy. You're gonna make sure you get out the chicken with the beer. Alright, we'll check on it in about 30 more minutes. Alright, it's been 30 more minutes. Let's check it out again, see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, starting to look good, starting to look good. Got to pour some more beer on them, keep them juicy. Alright, sorry I had to set y'all down. My tripod broke on me, so I'm not able to stand it up so y'all can see it. But I just poured some more beer on them. Gonna let them cook for about another hour and a half and it should be ready. Alright, it's been 2.5 hours. Time to check the chicken. I'm going to get it off now. I gotta get my daughter to hold the GoPro for me since my tripod broke.
Hi.
And you can hold that for me. Oh yeah, chicken's done. Alright everyone, the chicken's done. I cooked it for 2.5 hours and it is delicious. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Please hit that subscribe and like button. Peace.